Your car suddenly stalling or refusing to start can be a total nightmare. And if you see a P0321 code, your engine is essentially losing its sense of timing. This diagnostic trouble code is a generic one that you will often see on spark ignition engines, especially on models from Volkswagen, Audi, Mazda, or Mercedes. It basically means there is a range or performance issue with the ignition or distributor engine speed input circuit. Your vehicle relies on two main sensors to keep everything running smoothly. The crankshaft position sensor, which tells the powertrain control module how fast the engine is spinning, and the camshaft position sensor, which tracks the exact position of the camshafts for perfect timing. When the brain of your car, the powertrain control module, gets a signal that does not make sense from these circuits, it triggers this code. Because this is strictly an electrical circuit fault, you might notice your check engine light is on, the engine cranks forever without starting, or you feel the car hesitating and misfiring while you are driving down the road. To get to the bottom of this, you should first look for any technical service bulletins for your specific make and model, as this could save you a lot of money on a known manufacturer fix. After that, go ahead and locate your engine speed sensor. Depending on your ride, it could be a crank or cam sensor, or even something inside the distributor. Give the wiring a good look for any signs of rubbing, melted plastic, or bare wires. If you pull the connectors apart and see a green tint, that is corrosion that needs to be cleaned with electrical contact cleaner and a small brush. If the wiring looks solid, you will need a digital volt ohm meter to test the sensor itself. If you have a 3-wire Hall effect sensor, check for 5 volts of power and a good ground. For a 2-wire magnetic pickup sensor, you should be looking for a resistance reading between 750 and 2000 ohms. If you are cranking the engine, a healthy magnetic sensor should put out about 0.5 volts of alternating current. If you have checked the wires and the sensor is still not behaving, it is likely time to replace the sensor or, in rare cases, look at the powertrain control module. Since some of these sensors need to be calibrated or programmed after replacement, you should definitely head to a professional mechanic if the code persists after a new sensor is installed. Getting your timing back on track is the only way to get your car running smoothly again.